Hey everyone, today I'm going to be starting a new series called iMovie Tips and Tricks, right? And yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how to rotate videos in iMovie. Let's get into it. Right, so here I'm going to be giving you an example of where you would use this. I just took a video, but I'll show you what I've done. So in Photos, I took the video, but when I play it, so I started in portrait mode, and then I changed to landscape halfway through, and it never really changed around. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this to iMovie. Here we are. Alright, so I'm gonna create a new movie. And once I'm here, I'm going to click the video that I just taken. So now I've got the video, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it, and I'm going to pause where I change from. Landscape to portrait. So portrait to landscape. So here I change it. I'm going to just a bit scrubbing there, and I'm going to change it to where I want to cut the changes between the I'm going to do a little cut there. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put two fingers on the screen where the video is showing up on the editing there, and then rotate it the way I want it. So I'm going to rotate to the left, and now it's going to go to the landscape. So now that I play it, it flips around to the right orientation. And yes, that's how you do it. Anyway guys, I'd like to thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope it helps you out. And yeah, before you click off, if you could go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.